Hi guys, I'm back with another wonderful video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I made these coconut flakes at home. But before I proceed with this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to know a good coconut. So when you go to the market to purchase a coconut, how to confirm if this coconut is good. So if you're interested, keep watching. Ever since I started using this method, whenever I go to purchase a coconut, I have never buy a coconut that is bad. Ever since I started using this method, whenever I go to buy coconut, it's quite difficult to know if the coconut you are purchasing is good or not. And it's quite annoying when you come back at home, you break the coconut and then it's not good. So this is the method I use. Whenever you go to purchase a coconut, pick the coconut, lift it up. If it's heavy, shake it. If there's lots of water inside, the coconut is good. Then secondly, look at the eye of the coconut. See how neat this one is. This is to show you that this coconut is very fresh. So if the coconut is heavy with lots of water inside, the coconut is good. If the coconut is light, then with lots of water inside, that coconut is not strong or is bad. So whenever you go to purchase a coconut, this is what you should be looking out for: the eye of the coconut and the weight of the coconut. Try this method. You will come back in the comment section and thank me. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go out to crack this coconut just to confirm to you people what I'm saying. So this is me cracking the coconut. This is the first one I'm trying to crack. It's very hard, but I'm going to crack it just to show you guys what I'm trying to explain to you all. So this is the first coconut I cracked. It's very fresh. It's not spoiled. I cracked the second one. The same thing. It's very fresh. There's nothing wrong with it. Same thing with the third one. I cracked the third one. Same thing. It wasn't bad. So guys, try this method. You are going to come back and thank me in the comment section. So I don't want to make use of the water. That's why I'm cracking it like this. I just want to make use of the coconut itself. There's nothing more annoying like when you go to the shop and you purchase coconut, you want to come and cook your coconut rice, only for you to get back home, crack the coconut, and then it's spoiled or it's about to get spoiled. Coconut will spoil. You know, if you use and cook coconut rice again, no, they fine at all. So I started using this method to look out for good coconut and bad coconut. It has never failed me. Whenever I go to buy coconut, this is what I did, and it has been helping me, and that is why I say I should share with you guys. So let's go back to the main video. Next, I'm going to separate the coconut from the shell because I don't need the shell in this. Guys, there are many ways to enjoy this coconut flakes. You can use it for your baking, like bread, cake and all that. You can also use it for your granola. You can use it for breakfast and more. So once I'm done, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to do. I want to do different sizes of it. I don't want to do the same size. So I'm going to be using my grater. No, look at my old grater. Just look at what I'm showing you. I'm going to be making use of this side, and this side. So I want three different parts of the grater. But the first, I'm going to start with this first one. I'm going to grater this and then grater and turn the grater around and grater another one. Coconut has a lot of healthy benefits. After reading the benefits of coconut, I've decided to be consuming more coconut these days in my meal. So guys, coconut is high in fiber and low in carbs, which help control the blood sugar level in our body. Coconut meat and water contain numerous antioxidants that fight against factors causing cell damage in our body. Whether you are eating the coconut like this or you are consuming the oil, it contains a high level of cholesterol which benefits our hearts. So once I'm done with this first part, I'm going to put it aside. See how tiny it is. This is how I just want it to be. Next, I'm going to start the second part of it, which is this side. I'm going to grater this side as well. So guys, coconut has a lot of health benefits. So instead of you eating sunflower oil, you may consider eating coconut oil because it has a lot of packed benefits which is going to benefit the body. Once I'm done with the second part of it, I'm going to keep it aside and then begin the third process. So as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the first one. The first one is very tiny. So guys, I'm going to keep it aside and then begin the third process. So this thing no easy, but I'm glad that I'm doing it anyway. I really need it at home. So guys, I'm going to be making use of the third part of it, which is this part. When I was trying to grate out the third part of it, it wasn't giving me the vibe I really needed at all. This part of grater is not sharp. It was just wasting my time. I now remember I had something in the kitchen that I can use to replace it. I went and looked for it and I found it. So I started making use of it and it was giving me what I really needed. It was slicing the coconut the way I really want it to be. So I decided to make use of this, guys. So at some point I said I'm going to turn off the camera and then finish up the remaining part of it off the camera before I continue with the video. Once I'm done, this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to bring out my baking tray. I already have non-stickable baking paper on top of it. I'm going to add a little quantity of it in the tray and then I'll spread it around. So while I was doing this, I've already heated my oven and then reduced the oven to a low heat, maybe like medium heat, because I don't want it to get burnt. I want it to still be the same way it is like this. Next, I'm going to be adding a little bit sugar on it just to add up to the taste of the coconut. So after which, I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to repeat the same process with the second one. I'm going to pour it into my baking tray. So I have a non-stickable baking paper on top of the tray. So I'm going to spread it around and then add a little bit of sugar on it and then put it in the oven. While in the oven, I continue to turn it around just to make sure it doesn't get burnt because I really want it to dry natural with no burn on it. So I continue to turn it time to time. I open the oven to turn it around just to make sure no part is getting burnt. After drying this coconut for 45 to 50 minutes, this is how it looks. It really came out nice, just the way I wanted it. I never wanted to get burnt and it didn't get burnt. So this is the next one, just the way I wanted it to be. It didn't burn, it's just dry and it's still looking like coconut. So guys, I'm going to be packing it up in my storage box and then keep it aside. Whenever I want to make use of it, I'll make use of it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you've learned something new today, how to check if the coconut you are buying is good or bad. So let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this recipe or if you are going to go to the shop and buy coconut and confirm for yourself. See you all on my next video. Bye. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to stop here for today and continue the next day. See you guys on my next one. Bye.